Hello everyone, welcome back to my 11. Today I'll be showing you how to make your Discord server better. Go to Discord. So you just create your server and give it an icon. Complete this finish setting up and invite your friends. I have invited already. Okay. Yeah. So now go to voice channels, click on add. Here backup channel. It's like 2 channels. Voice create. Yeah, and here music channel create. So here we are going to add some bots. It's loading. Wait a minute. Yeah, so here type Hydra Discord bot. Now go to the first one, hydra.bot. So you are going to see this page, the perfect Discord bot and all that. So just click on invite. So it's going to invite the bot. Yeah, so it's loading. It now it's going to ask you to log in. So I'll just type my emails. Yeah, so okay, it's going to take you to another page. Now select a server. So I'm adding it to my server. Continue. So you remove administrator. Okay. Yeah. Now if you click authorize, it will ask you there's one captcha here. You click I am human, then verify it. Train. Verify. Okay, so now it's going to say that you can close the page. So just wait. Yeah, now you can close this page. So let's check if it's added. Loading. Yeah, so you can see Hydra just slid into the server. So here now in the music channel, if you click join voice, music channel, you can play the music using this Hydra bot. Now if you want, you can change the nickname, but there's one problem. If you observed, when I left the voice channel, okay, when I left the music channel, Hydra is still there and it's still playing the music. So how to stop it? So go to the members, Hydra. Now click on disconnect. Okay, so you can even change its volume, or you can mute it. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect it. Now if you see in the music channel, no one is there. And for help, you can type .help. So you can see it has sent the commands. So all of these are the commands. Now here you can add any bots of your choice. So as of now I have only added Hydra. You can add any of them, and one thing you can do is click on manage. Okay, go to members, Hydra. Now click manage. So click, you can give it any nickname you want. I'll nickname it Musico. Cancel. Yeah, you can see its name has been changed to Musico. Now .help. So you can see now it's showing Musico instead of Hydra. Yeah. So here, go to your click on create category, new channel. Okay, so the category name, new category, sorry, not new channel, new category. So you can give it the name as games. Create. Now add how about chess? Create. So here, go back to your browser. Yeah, here, okay, here type go. So now, yeah, chess bot. We are going at the chess bot. So go to top.gg, add chess bot discord bot. So it's just loading. Okay. Yeah, so now click on invite. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so yeah, now select a server. I'm selecting my server again. And do. Now click on continue. Authorize. Beep boop boop beep. Okay, so now it's you should verify. Seaplane. Next. Now I'll verify. Now it's loading. Okay, so now authorized. You may now close this window or tab. Now if you go back to your Discord, yeah, so here you can see yeah, so in chat, okay, so now you can see chessbot. Okay, even this one you can change the nickname. Manage, add nickname, chess, done, close. So now you can see its name is chess. If you type dollars challenge, now you type the username like dollars challenge. Now I'm typing yeah, so wait, yeah, challenge user. Now you type the name, so you can challenge whoever you want. I'm just challenging myself to show you. Okay, so challenging bot, challenge bot CBL. C no 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 yeah, CBL. If you enter, wait, no, edit BL. Wait a second, that's the wrong message. Challenge bot CBL. Yeah, so now it's going to wait. Yeah, so now there's an error. So if you type dollars profiles, now it will show you which bots you can challenge. CB4 dollars challenge bot CB4. So now it's yeah, so it has challenged. So like that you can use this chess bot, and like that you can add other channels like tic-tac-toe, create. So now tic-tac-toe, and here you can add another bot. Oops, yeah, so yeah, so that's it for today's video. Okay, and before we end the video, I just want to tell you, you can add these other bots also. It's not like you should add only Hydra and chess bot. You can add any bots according like whichever you want, and you can add as many categories and channels you want. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe.